Let's speak about our brand new M18 brushless angle grinder. A new development in the price entry range. Speaking about these tools, we know they are mainly used for cutting applications. So we optimized the tool here with 11,000 RPMs. It gives us a full corded cutting experience, an equivalent of 800 watt net power. We need also to understand, we change here to brushless to avoid carbon brushes, the most common failures on these tools. Going a bit deeper, we add also our dust shield here, again to enhance the lifetime of the tool. And here it is also now important to speak about the price-quality ratio on these tools. To enhance the user experience, to make life on-site easy, we have here our integrated fixed tag, easy to open and easy to change the disc. Just lock it, go a little bit anti-clockwise and the disc is locked. But we kept also the user's safety in mind. Easy as that, we can here remove the cutting guard clip, or in the same way, easy as that, we have it ready to cut. But also when we speak about cutting applications, we understand we cut a lot of pipes and profiles, and here the anti-kickback is essential, so we added it also to this tool. We offer you the tool in two versions, the RAM switch, where we know most of the users prefer it, but also to enhance the user safety, we have a pedal switch version. We will now see a quick demo, the brushless angle grinder against the 800 watt corded tool.